Friends, in the last video I showed you this program. Okay, so we get 10 as an output of B. Okay, so this is because B doesn't get updated. Okay, so if you have any confusion or if you don't understand clearly, so you can do this: copy this line and paste this below this line. Okay, so if you update now, you see we get 15. Okay, so yeah, I hope your doubt has been cleared now. Okay, so we will go forward now. Friends, we have written a program here. So what do you think would be the output, and why why do you think this would happen? I mean, we have taken m as an integer variable, and value of m is 80, n is equal to 20, and sum is another integer variable, and sum is equal to m plus n. So focus on the printf line. Okay, so in this line we've uh, we've taken percentage d plus percentage d is equal to another percentage d. Okay, so after that, as usual, we have given a comma, and then m comma n comma and sum. So if we print now, you see 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. That means these 80 for printing this 80, we have to write this percentage d. For this 20, we have to write this percentage d, and this, for this 100, we have to write this percentage d. Okay, so this m is for this one, n for this one, and sum for this one. Okay, I hope you understand this one. We have written another program. Okay, so here we have taken integer types of variable as usual. Okay, so x is equal to 45.67. This is not integer. Okay, this is a fractional number, and y is equal to 45, then sum. So all of them are integer type of variables, and as usual we've done sum is equal to x plus y. Okay, so if we print this one, what do you get? Okay, so if we do run, then we see, you see, 45 plus 45 is equal to 90. Okay, so we don't get the 0.67. This is because the type of variable we took is integer. Okay, so because of being integer, we don't get this 0.67. Okay, so now we will learn how to solve this problem, how we can get the perfect result, appropriate result for this. Okay, so what you should do, don't just watch videos. Okay, pause the video, and you should type on your own. Yeah, in online you can do in online compiler, or maybe you can use your code blocks or CodeLite, these types of code editors, no problem, but you have to type. Okay, without typing you can't learn coding. Okay, so yeah, so let's go forward. uh, for fractional number, which variables are not whole number, integer, to express these types of variables we use double. Okay, so you see here we've taken a variable y, and this is double type variable. Okay, so value of y is 30.45. Okay, so we took another variable, integer types of variable. Okay, x, and here we equalize them. X, we put y in x. Okay, so according to our previous experience, we should know that now x is equal to y. X and y are same. Okay, so if we print x and if we print y, what do you get? Remember, for printing integer types of variable, we write %d, and for printing double types of variable, we write %lf. This is for what? LF means long float. So there is another types of variable called float. We will discuss about this later. Okay, so now we should get x and y equal. Okay, so if we run this, you see x is 30 and y is 30.45 and with 4 zeros. So why we get 4 zeros? This is because the size of these two variables. Okay, so when we declare an integer types of variable, it takes 4 bytes in computer memory and double takes 8 bytes. So what is bit and byte and these types of things, we will discuss about these things later. Okay, so yeah, you shouldn't bother about this thing now. Okay, so we will go forward now. So I think you've understood integer and difference between integer and double. Friends, I'm telling you again, you should pause the video and you should practice. Okay, you should code on your own. Okay, so here we've written a program. Okay, it's not we've taken an integer variable actually, and in this we put 456. So when you want to print this, we get 456. Okay, there's no problem with this. So if we put minus 456, we also get 456 minus 456. There is no problem with this as well. So if we put a very big number like 1 with 8 zeros, like it's comparatively big number, we get good output, no problem with this as well. And if we do it with minus negative value, we get the same result, no problem. We get as it is, no problem. But you see, if we take these types of very big number, we don't get the perfect output. So this is for what? This is for integer types of variable take 4 bytes of memory. 4 bytes. 4 bytes means 32 bits. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. Okay, so you will learn about these things later. So you don't need that much knowledge right now. Okay, so we will discuss about these things later. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you're enjoying and you're practicing. Okay, don't just waste your time. Okay, practice. Don't waste your time. Practice. That's all.